Welcome to this episode, everybody. First episode, we have built a farm. Well, we have a farm. See the farm. Yeah, man. So we say we want to create a self-sustainable life. So this is my brother. So right now, I just plant up some seed, cabbage, pak choy, lettuce, basil, and watermelons. So this is a seed bed. So right now he's sprinkling dirt over the seeds. This was our seed bed we did earlier in the week, like 1 week ago. This is tomatoes and scallion. So these are the tomatoes springing up over here. And we have some scallion springing up over this side. Yeah, so we just want to document the journey. So whoever want to join the journey and come along, free to. Yeah.
A learning experience, man.
Yeah, man. So you can learn with us. We are new farmers as well. We now say we are professionals, so don't judge we. You can give us ideas, ways of doing things better, So we're open to all ideas and information. It's a community where we can help each other. So. And same way we can help you based on what we are experiencing. You're gonna see it live, So yeah. So the first clippings, first video. We should have started a little earlier, but no better than never, Yeah. I'll cover over the background, Nice piece of land, man. Fireman a chop down the hillside over there, so man. So we want to create some food where we can eat, other than just mass produce something. We want to produce food where we can consume, where we know organic.
Variety.
And a variety of stuff, So this is the organic journey. Because we don't believe in our chemicals and one bag of things, so we're going to find out the organic way to deal with it.
Yeah,
man. So now the seed bed is fully covered with the topsoil. Because what he did was sprinkle the seeds on top and then use the extra dirt now and sprinkle it on top of the seeds. So the soil is very aerated and it gives space for the small seeds to come out of the dirt without struggling with a hard surface to go through,
Got a magic potion.
Yeah, man, so now I'm going to add the H2O.
Magic. You don't want to just pour the water in it and disturb the soil and the seeds. Almost like raindrops almost.
And here we put little sticks with the stuff that we plant, so we know what is planted where. little tip from our uncle, so we're practicing it now. Alright, see you guys soon again. Alright guys, this is my brother taking a picture of this. He's in awe of the amount of fruits in the tree. Filled with fruits, every corner you look at that. Beautiful. Look at this beautiful, magnificent tree. So we're here pricking some, you know, so give our thanks.
Yeah man, mission time, you know.
Alright, I'm gonna pick one right now. I'm the catcher, so hold on. Oh my gosh.
The bad one is from the seat, so we're around
Catch the ball. Alright, so guys, we need to focus, so see you soon. This is the update on the farm. Remember the little seed bed that we planted? See them all spring up here. Oh my gosh, beautiful. Beautiful. So these are tomatoes, you know. These are watermelon. This little thing here, we have basil planted here. This is lettuce. And we have pak choi over this side. We have cabbage over this side. We have cucumber. Lots of cucumber, beautiful. And we have carrots. These small things right here, carrots. So beautiful. So, give thanks for the journey. Just stick along and I go see the progress. Blessings. Yes, greetings everybody. Guess where we are at on the farm in the night. We're planting out the seedlings. Me and my brother there, you can't really see him.
Why at night you might be asking? It's just the liberty, you know, just the liberty.
Yeah man, so I'll start up a fire, get things rolling, you know. So we'll link up again. Bless. So we're there up on the farm, we are working on a thing. The prevents. This is the carrot development. Okay, don't know me, I'll give you the update. That's the update on the carrots. Right here over cucumbers. Over here we have cabbage. Beautiful. Over this side, what was it again? This was pak choi. Yes. Beautiful pak choi growing. And over this side, we have a lettuce. And then basil, watermelons. And this is where the tomato was before we took them out and transplanted them into the field. Now I plant peanuts here. So we're going to see the journeys on those. I planted today, so we'll see how that turn out. I plant 5 herb seed right here, because we can legally plant 5 herb seed. And we have scallions right here, but it's not going so well. Yeah. So, alright, so I'm going to show you guys where the tomatoes are. So it's down here. Next time we give you the footage of us digging in the holes and planting them. But we're a little busy, so this is the end result. Tomatoes planted out. Excuse my shadow. Yeah, so 56 tomatoes planted out. And we have the strawberries up there. Alright, we'll just take a quick look at the strawberry. Okay, so we have strawberries growing here. This is a strawberry, so I just watered everything. And now I'm going back up. So I just giving the guys an update. You don't know me, I have my cousin Dino. He come and help me out on the farm and keep my company and give thanks in company, you know. Yeah, man. So you don't know. So give thanks. See you on the next one. Oh, see, look at dog here. Yeah, man. Look at dog, I follow we around. I'm a bit shy, I don't know me a Dino dog. Well, I take care of somebody dog, you know. We have a mint tree. And we have, what you call that again, Dino? You know that name? Spanish mint? That's right name? Yeah, man. And we have a little tank. Yeah, so we don't catch water because we don't have running water, so we catch water from the clouds. Yeah. So when the clouds let go the water, we catch it here. So see you in the next one. Blessings.